Okay, we have a pumpkin basket spinning on
It's about to
here.
come off. It's gonna come off.
And
Here it
he's going
goes.
to fall soon.
Let's slide. It's gonna slide all the way. I'm surprised it's still on.
I don't know how to control this. Here it goes on high mode. He cannot fall off.
Wow, that's amazing. He's actually kind of stuck on there. Wow.
I know.
Oh, now it's gonna come off.